Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very simple instant mango pickle recipe. It goes really well with any of your meals, chapati or rice. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. To make the pickle, here I have taken one green mango and it's a medium size. Half a teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and some hing. First, we are going to cut the mango into small pieces like these. Then add the red chili powder and salt to taste. Give this a good mix. Make sure that the chili powder and salt is well spread through the cut mango. Now we are going to heat up the oil for the tempering. Once it's hot, add the mustard seeds, add the methi seeds, and turn off the flame. Now add some hing and in few seconds add the turmeric. Give this tempering a good mix. Let it cool down for 5 minutes or so. Once it's cooled down, we are going to add this oil tempering to the mango. So go ahead and add all of that. And to take off all that tempering that's left in the vessel, just put in some mango and scrape it off. Give it a good mix so that the tempering is spread through the mango. Looks so delicious. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is optional. And give it a good mix. It's absolutely delicious and I can't wait to eat. Let's take it out in a bowl. This pickle will stay good for about 5 to 7 days at room temperature. The instant mango pickle is ready. Enjoy it with any of your meals. With chapati, bhaji or rice, dal, it goes really well with any of your meals. Hope you've liked today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.